skies up above, why everyone's in love. Up a lazy river, how happy you can be. Oh, up a lazy river with me. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Up a lazy river by the old mill run. That lazy, lazy river in the noonday sun. Linger in the shade of a kind old tree. Throw away your troubles, dream a dream with me. Go up a lazy river where the robin's song awakes a bright new morning. We can loaf along with blue skies up above. Everyone's in love. Way up a lazy river with with me. Where I can buy a paper doll that I can call my own, a doll that other fellows cannot steal. And then the flirty, flirty guys with their flirty, flirty eyes will have to flirt with dollies that are real.
Really thought it could happen to a girl like me. Gosh, oh, seems so contradictory, like a bit of abracadabra magicality. Presto, change-o, see a different me, but I made it to heaven beyond paradise. The moment I saw your eyes, your adorable eyes, a roll of a 7, a lucky surprise. The moment I saw your eyes.
And Mr. Les Brown can make a renown, and Ray Anthony can rock it for me. There's never a doubt you can knock yourself out whenever you hear Opus one more time. And old Les Brown can make a renown, and Ray Anthony can rock it for me. There's never a doubt it'll knock you out whenever you hear Opus number 1. One more time. And the songs that the Mills Brothers